Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to post photos and videos on Threads. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step is to make sure that the app has photo and video access. So we have to open the settings on our device. Scroll all the way down until you see Threads. Here it is, so open it. We can open the app and then click on this little compose button in the middle. This will open our new thread. You can write something if you want to. Now let's open our photo gallery, and we'll do that by tapping on this little paper clip icon. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.